Hello, it's Mr. Tyler. I work at Glenwood High School. I teach Excel, PowerPoint, and computer apps, a bunch of other things too, but today we are focusing in on Project 3. So if you are on Canvas, on Excel Chapter 2, go ahead and click on Project 3 here. Go ahead and do that. Make sure you read the directions. The directions are please make a copy of this Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go to File, Make a Copy, and then right here where it says Make a Copy, go ahead and put your initials here. I'm just going to put RT, okay, whoops, T, and then space, and then I'm going to say OK. And you will see it pop up here in a second. And so at the very top you'll see RT copy of this, and let me go off of that because I don't want us to have any problems. Oh, by the way, if it shrinks up or something like this when you make your copy, watch this. We can widen the rows if we want. We also can widen the columns. These are columns. A, B, C, D, E are columns. But I tell you specifically what I'm looking for. So this is an average of like tests that these people took. So I want to type in E4, so right there, average. So we're going to start a formula. It was always equal. And then notice it's intuitive. And it's asking me, do I want B4 to D4? I sure do. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And then I will grab the bottom right hand side and I'll track that down, okay? And then over here, number 2, it says type in B19 equals max. So we're going to do that right here, the highest test average. So right here, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click equals. I'm going to type max. Now this won't be as intuitive because it's not really, I'm kind of separated it from the actual chart from our table from above. So I want E4, so I'm going to put E4 through E16. So E16. Now, when I do that, now notice I made a mistake, so I'm kind of glad I did that. So you can see that I didn't do through, I did this and that. So it should have been colon, okay, and then through E16, okay? There, see the difference? I had a semicolon, and that makes a difference because I want a max of what is the average from here to there. I go ahead and hit enter. I don't have to drag it or anything. Then I want a min. So in here I type equals and then min and then beginning parentheses. I want it from E4. Whoops, sorry. Let me escape there. So the reason why it rendered an error is because I'm not done here. I'm not done with it. So I want E4 through E16 and then 16 end of parentheses. Then I hit enter, and then there was a problem. The reason why there was a problem is because now I have 2 parentheses here. Let me get away with that. And the reason why I'm okay with making the mistakes because you may make something like that. So I hit OK, and then I corrected the problem. You just have to know what you've done wrong. Then on the average of tests completed, right here, type in B21. It says equal average. So I'm going to type equal and then average. Now, if you want to, you can go up there if you see average and you click on that, and then what do I say in there? I say I want E4, okay, through, okay, now notice through E16. So whoops, I didn't put through, again, making some mistakes here, trying to show you what you could do on accident here. So E16 into parentheses, I hit enter, and voila, there's your 81% average of tests completed. Then test 3 completed and test 3 administered. So here I type in B22, so this is B in 22. And so I type in here equals, and it's a count now. Well, what is the count? It's counting how many tests we're actually taking, okay? How many tests were counted. So I go count, C-O-U-N-T, count, beginning in parentheses, D4 through, okay, through D16. So D and then 1, 6, and I hit there and I hit enter. And then right here, test 3 count. Now, if I wanted to, I could do the count for, and let's do that really. Let's do it for test 2. So let's do C. Let's change on the fly. We're going to change this, okay? We're going to change this to C4. Okay, C4. We're going to change that. We're going to change it to C4, okay? C4 to C. Let's delete that to C16, okay? Right on the fly, I'm changing that so that this can be test 2, okay? And so here we go. I want to type in equals, and then contra, and then C4, you'll see. So C4 through C16. In the parentheses. Then when you hit enter, you notice there'll be 13 different tests that were taken. And then right here it says type in your name in A27, and then in now it's, oh, you know what? This one should have been, I'm sorry, I just noticed this. I forgot to add that. This should be 8, okay? Let me come up here. Sorry, guys. Not wanting me to, okay. And this is number 8. And parentheses, or period, and then 1, 2. And you notice, then you're gonna type in A26, you're gonna put equals now and hit enter. So right in here, I'm gonna type in equals now, and then beginning parentheses and parentheses, and then I'm just gonna hit enter, and then it goes ahead and it puts the date and time today. Okay, so that's kind of a cool feature, by the way. Anyway, thanks for watching.